Not play, fool.
People are hearing you, you fucking bitch.
Shut up.
I'm gonna crash and die and burn. What the fuck, man? Oh fuck, oh shit. Oh son of a bitch. Oh shit. Not gonna make it alive, dude. Oh shit. Oh, ah! What do you want, Billy?
What?
Oh my. Oh, llama.
I Peter is wearing that this morning, y'all.
Really?
Yes.
You.
A freaking wingspan.
See this perfect parking job right there?
Yeah, it took you forever.
Did they look good on her?
No, they suck nuts.
Really?
Yes.
You think they'll look bad on me?
I don't know. How should I know?
So hold me up. If any girls watching this who wants to fuck me, I have a big dick. Yeah, baby. Suck that hard. Oh shit, I can't pass this level. Screw this goddamn game. Damn you. Oh my god. Anyway. Ooh, look at those titties. I like that. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.